If you're a gardener, you know that tilling is an essential part of preparing your soil for planting. But with so many different tillers on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the best tillers on the market, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. We'll also be giving you some tips on how to choose the right tiller for your garden size and soil type. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, we've got you covered. Stay tuned and let's get started. Number 1. Sunjoe TJ603E 16-inch electric tiller. One of the standout features of the Sunjoe TJ603E is its durability. You can trust it to handle your gardening tasks year after year. This electric tiller operates on a 120-volt voltage. The handle folds down for convenient storage, making it perfect for gardeners with limited space. You can easily customize the depth and precision of your tilling to suit your specific garden needs. This machine is rust-resistant, ensuring its longevity and continued performance. Number 2. Jardineer Heavy-Duty Hand Tiller. This manual hand tiller comes with an anti-slip footplate, maximizes the downward force of treading, and penetrates into soil easily. The curved handle of this garden claw saves the effort of twisting ergonomically. This garden claw is an ideal size for a raised bed, flower box, around shrubs or bushes, and other narrow areas. You can also use the twist tiller to mix fertilizer and peat moss amendments. The long handle makes tilling easy without bending over. Number 3. Wen TC1014 14-inch electric tiller. The Wen TC1014 has a powerful 10-ampere motor that can till soil up to 14 inches wide and 8.7 inches deep. This makes it perfect for smaller gardens and raised beds. The tiller has 4 reinforced steel tines with a total of 16 blades. The tiller has 2 adjustable 5x5 by 8-inch wheels that make it easy to transport and store. The tiller has overload protection that automatically stops the motor if it encounters a hard object. Number 4. Honda 649680 9-inch front tine tiller. This engine is powerful and reliable, and it's also easy to start. This guard protects the engine from damage if you get any rocks or other obstacles. This tiller is built to last, with heavy-duty components that can handle even the toughest jobs. The tines on this tiller are designed to cut through the soil quickly and easily, and they also help to mix in compost and other amendments. The tines on this tiller are made of durable metal, so they can withstand even the toughest conditions. Number 5. BILT Hard TO A0452 16-inch tines tiller. The BILT Hard TO A0452 boasts a robust AC motor with a hopping 19,000 RPM. That means it can effortlessly cultivate soil up to 16 inches wide and 8.7 inches deep. With 6 rust-resistant blades spinning at 360 RPM each and 4 angled tines, this tiller slices through soil like a hot knife through butter, ensuring maximum performance for your gardening needs. With 2-position 6-inch wheels, you can easily customize the depth and maneuverability of the tiller. Number 6. Greenworks 27062 40-volt cordless tiller. The Greenworks 27062 boasts a robust 40-volt motor that delivers the muscle needed to break up hard, compact soil into fine, crumbly goodness that's perfect for planting. This tiller provides up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge. The battery fully recharges in just 120 minutes. It comes equipped with 6-inch rear wheels that make it a breeze to navigate around your garden. It offers an adjustable tilling width ranging from 8.25 inches to 10 inches, allowing you to tailor your soil preparation to your specific needs. Thanks for watching today's video on the best tiller for gardening. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect tiller to make your gardening life a breeze. Remember, the best tiller for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. So be sure to consider your garden size, soil type, and budget when making your decision. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We're always here to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tool reviews.